Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Mazda 3, and on this Mazda 3 we have the ABS wheel speed sensor that is damaged and needs to be replaced. See, it's been smashed and the cables have been cut. So first you'll need to jack up the car, or at least jack up the side that you gotta fix. This is the right side, or the passenger side. The car jacked up and supported on jack stands. Then you can remove the front tire to be able to get better access into here, and then follow the cable up and you can remove that. There are two push pins. Just use a small screwdriver to pull it out, and then to unlock it, and then pull them completely out. And there's one more up here. You may have to take more out, but those two, well, with those removed, with the two you can get to where you need to get. But see, there's a connector right here, so we just got to push that and pull it backward. So electrical connector right there, undone. And so now we can pull the rest of this cable out. There's another little clip into the side there. We've got just a self clip, and now we can go ahead and disconnect the cable from the wheel. So back here we have this bolt. It's a number 10 millimeter. We'll undo that, and then we can pull this sensor out. You just gotta generally kind of try to rock it to get it to loosen. So with some pliers on there, just kind of spin it back and forth a little bit, and then it'll pull straight out. You want to take a little bit of care in getting that out so you don't break the plastic off in there and then have to drill it out. Got our new one here. Push that in there. Put your 10 millimeter bolt back in. Yeah. All tightened up. So we had a connector right there. Connected here, wraps around, and then it connects on the back side here. We're going to work our way up. That connection up there, and everything is all hooked up. And just go ahead and put your push pins back in and be able to put the tire back on, put it down, and that's how you replace your ABS wheel speed sensor. You will have to do some a reading of the code probably to get that out of one of the engine codes, but otherwise that's how you replace this on a Mazda 3. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.